So in this video, I'm going to show you a new faucet. It's called faucetworld.in. It's similar to our own faucet that you see here, where you just roll numbers and you can win some Bitcoin or other coins like we showed you before. But over here, you can basically, all you need to do is just wait 1 minute, and then you can get a very small amount, let's say in Dogecoin or other coins. I'm going to show you in a second here. Now, there is a mistake. They're saying you earn 20 or close to 24,000 Doge. It's not. But you're still earning let's say Dogecoin in this case. If you go to settings on the website, and let's say you want to include Litecoin and let's say Solana, for instance, which we are not introducing in our sites, and Tron, for instance, and you can choose the type of CAPTCHA, which Cloudflare seems to be the best. And we also, just mentioning, we changed by default the CAPTCHA here to Cloudflare. So if you go to Auto Faucet and you're introducing all these coins, you're gonna get the same amount, but it's gonna be divided by 4 basically. But you can do it if that's what you like. It's totally up to you. We're gonna show you how it looks basically in the account. All you need to do is just leave the screen on. You see, you got all this amount. Again, it's not 43 Litecoin. It's a mistake. So they have something called ACT, and the ACT, that's the currency they're using. And this is how you can earn ACT on their site, just like we have the Earn More section and Free Bitcoin. They have a section called Offer Walls, and then there's short links which you can participate in, and PTC Walls, which PTC stands for Pay to Click. And there's the wall game, which is very similar to what you're seeing on our sites, but you have to complete the CAPTCHA below and click the roll to win. So once again, let's do this, and then you see how much you're winning. That's got 7,566, which is between these numbers and 98.85. So got 30 ACT, and the next roll available in half an hour. So that's another kind of faucet. And there's the daily social reward, which you can check over here, and daily login streak and stake ACT. So basically, if you're staking it on the site. Now, the Auto Faucet that you're already seeing is running over here. You can, again, make it work every minute, every 2 minutes, every 4 minutes, and so on. And there's the active raffle, and there's a potions market, which is similar to the VIP, which we have over here, which you can basically buy your way up. And the most important thing is basically the coin swap. So what is the coin swap? That's where you're getting coins. Let's say you got the Doge coins, which we got over here. So when you see 24,000, they're talking like a sort of Satoshis of Dogecoin. That's what you're seeing, these numbers. It's a little bit confusing. But let's say you want to get the stock in USDT numbers. So you can, right now, we just joined the site. So we collected slightly less than a cent of a coin, okay? And that's the same thing with the swap. Once you swap and you have enough, you can go to the withdrawal section, and then you can just withdraw it. And you can see all your balance here. So if you remember, we have this amount of Dogecoin, which we collected, and we told them to also collect in Tron and Solana. Again, if you want to be consistent and make the most out of it. So again, this is like Satoshi's numbers. You can just tell the faucet, let's say we want to continue only with Doge. That's what started by default, by the way. And that's it. That's how basically you use the faucet, and you can let it run and see how it works. We haven't tried to receive any payments from them, so we don't know how solid they are. It seems online that they have okay feedback so far, so feel free to try it. Look at the details here. In about 22 hours you have next CAPTCHA that's gonna show up here. So just like we do CAPTCHA every 24 hours. But again, they providing you with very small amounts, and 1 minute is page refresh time. So every minute it's basically refreshing, and that's automatic. It's auto harvesting active. And keep this tab open to continue earning. You can freely switch tabs or work in another window. Okay, just mentioning it. They have a faucet list, so this the Dogecoin faucet, and they have a few other details over here. You feel free to read it. And the blog, which is what showing if the website is active or not necessarily. I mean, there's something from 6 months ago, and this is 8 months ago, and if you go down you can see more, mainly posting about 6 to 8 months ago. If you're looking, for instance, in our blog, if you want to compare, so we had this was posted about now this link, this guide, November 3, 2025. So it's about 2 months ago. And this was posted afterwards. And then there's some others. So this is more or less for you to compare. If you go here and you're going to type new CAPTCHA, because we have a new CAPTCHA, so that's going to be the code for you to use. Also, when you click on go, it's going to let you basically put it over here as well. That's more or less what we wanted to share in regards to this faucet. The last thing you want to make sure, if you want to test it or you just want to make sure it's working, you can click on help us and support, and then basically feel free to send them a message, new ticket, and see how fast they respond to you. That's a good indicator if the website is live or not. Although the chat over here showing 1,700 people active, but again, everybody can fake it. You need to see if there's activity here, and that nobody has any troubles. Okay, just do your own due diligence, DYOR, do your own research before you decide if you want to participate or not. And if you want to grab your referral link, just like what we're gonna put our referral link, you click on your profile here, and then you can click on my referrals. It's very hard to find it, to be honest. Took us a little bit. You can see how much you refer. Again, we just joined the site, so you can earn up to, now you're not earning 20, but you receive, here you're going to receive 20% of the earned coins in USD. So it says up to 20. So it's a bit confusing, up to 20% or not. Anyways, you wish to try, the link is going to be showing in the bottom of the page. And if you want to join, we're going to put this link in the video description. You can also use banners. So you see, these are really cool banners when you look at them. Very nice graphics, I have to mention. Free Bitcoin, get your free Bitcoin. It's not only free Bitcoin, it's free Doge, free crypto. And that's it. You have the code as well, or the banners. Graphic wise, we like it. It's very, very good. So yep, that's how you can copy your referral link and you can share it just like we do. And if you want to see news, which we already talked about the blog, then they have news, but apparently they have, this is better than the blog. They have some news over here. So just about yesterday, Share the Wealth with Community Rain events. Again, for us, it seems like the website is fine, and the withdrawal proof seems okay as well. This is Satoshis again, but this is in USD. So these are the withdrawals that users are basically doing. Yeah, not massive, but it's still pretty nice. $1.60. Once again, even with our own sites or any other site, your goal is basically if you can collect $5 here and $5 there and just withdraw it, it's free money. So that should be the spirit. It's kind of weird to see Tron in the BSC. That's a thing that you don't usually see every day. But here you can see all the withdrawals that were done, and you can see 43 pages of withdrawals. Some of them were done 2 weeks ago, like you can see over here, and the most recent ones were done about 10 hours ago. And they're mostly using Faucet Pay, which is a great platform. We do apologize, we're not using them. And you can read or rate them on Trustpilot. Okay, so hopefully that's covering most of what you guys wanted to see. Click back to the dashboard and you can just activate your Auto Faucet and see earning every minute. And if you guys have any questions, any feedback you wish to share, so let us know. If you want us to push this site heavily with this video in our messages in a faucet, we can do that. And then we can share with you exactly how much we made, how it looks. If you guys want us to do, just drop your comments so we would know that you guys want us to basically introduce a follow-up on the site. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let us know your feedback if you have any or not, and feel free to use the promo code we introduced in the video. Like and share, subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye for now.